Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Handelsbanken customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down Handelsbanken and enter it. And from the search result select this Handelsbanken here at the top. And once inside this home page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from here what you need to do is you need to go to this help and support. And from the help and support, you need to scroll a bit down here and you can find this frequently asked question. And if there's any relatable to your issue, what you can do is you can simply open it here and you can find the instruction here. If you need more help, what you can do is you can go back and over here, if you want help with personal service, here you can simply find this number here. And if you need help with blocking a card or bank ID, you can find this number here. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.